I love outdoor cooking. It's probably one of my very favorite things to do. Peeling back all the layers and simplifying recipes and getting back to basics. Over a fire in nature with your friends. I mean, there's something really special and connected about that. Steamed clams with wine sauce, butter, and then we're gonna right away add our ingredients to cool off this pan. It's pretty hot. Garlic and shallots, small dice. Get that butter to melt. Let's not brown it. Okay, so right when this butter starts to melt, as such, we're gonna add our wine and reduce it, maybe like a cup of the wine. And let's reduce it by half. Just burn off that alcohol. So while we reduce this wine sauce, we're going to season this bread. This is beautiful sourdough bread with some olive oil and salt, both sides. Oh yeah, I love grilled bread. You love grilled bread? So to test the freshness of your clam, you see how this guy's a little open? You just tap him to see if he closes. See how he closes? He's still fresh and alive. Any of them that don't close, you want to ditch. So I'm gonna add the butter sauce from the oysters to this concoction. Cook once, eat more than one meal, which is just parsley, shallots, that anchovy paste, and garlic. We're gonna add our clams. And then we're gonna close to steam. We're gonna leave them in there until they open up. We'll check them in like 5 minutes. Oh yeah, perfect. Now they all opened up. If there's any that were left closed, we wanna discard those. And let's add some last minute parsley. And that's it. We dunk the bread in the buttery wine sauce. Take the bread and you do a little dunk action, and then we take the clam and then we dunk action. Holy shit, that was so good. That was so good.